Excellency, the Right Honorable Speaker, my highly respected colleagues, my name is Honorable Jafar Uleko, and I speak for and on behalf of the good people of Bogoro, Dastafa Balewa. Right Honorable Speaker, respected colleagues, I rise this morning to move a very important motion on a need to adopt Chinese yuan currency to mitigate the impact of the Naira depreciation. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, the House notes that Nigerian economy has experienced substantial shift regarding the value of Naira, triggering economic instability and uncertainty. Also note that the International Monetary Fund proposed diversification of foreign exchange reserve for Central Bank of Developing Countries, which Nigeria is one. Further note that the global economic landscape is involving the international trade dynamics are shifting, with China assuming a leading role in global trade. Aware that the People's Republic of China has a stable global recognized currency, the Chinese yuan, which is gaining recognition in international trade, cognizant that adopting the China yuan as an additional foreign exchange reserve currency might mitigate the adverse effect of Naira depreciation, reduce the risks associated with exchange rate fluctuation, and enhance Nigerian economic stability. Furthermore, it will enhance Nigerian trade and economic ties with China, a crucial trading partner.
It's in tandem with the efforts of the government to diversify our foreign reserve. Like I can remember Rwanda in 2016, they have gone into a relationship with China whereby they denominated their foreign reserve with yuan because of the volume of trade Rwanda has with China. If you look at the volume of trade we have with China, it's reasonable, and we will strengthen our currency and we will diversify our foreign reserve policy if we can adopt, although the majority leader informed the House that already that policy is there, but the motion is not harmful. The motion is just trying to encourage the CBN to sustain that relationship and those that are in charge with the fiscal policy of this country and the monetary policy of this country. So I think it's a good motion. It's in the right direction in trying to diversify our foreign reserve policy. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I have issue with the prayer, because the prayer is saying differently things from what you just said. The prayer is talking about adoption. And the facts that we have before us says that in 2018 we adopted it after the impact of the oil and gas price fall in 2015. And if you go to the archive, you will see that the adoption was done in 2018. So if the prayer is in line with what you are saying, I think what you should be doing is asking for the amendment of the prayer to enhance or to speed up the process of making that adoption more effective than it is. So if you like, you may raise an amendment to that, because adoption has been done. We cannot, but before that, let us second the motion and then we can go for adoption. Any seconder to that motion? Yes, gentlemen. Yes, honorable colleague.